Okay, we are ready to go. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Tu są ruskie pierogi.
Ojej, tak dużo. No to zje. Dasz radę?
Okay, so we just had dinner with my parents. So I would like to, since it was your first Christmas, I would like to know how are your impressions? Like, which dish was your favorite? How did you like the ambience? So,
Yeah, so it was awesome. So I met her entire family, her parents, and then her grandparents came, and we all had food. Before that, we prayed to the God, and then we also distributed gifts. So my favorite food, I think I like the pierogi the most, and then the salad that she made, and I also like the drink that you guys made, which is
dried
traditional.
fruits.
Yeah,
right?
which is quite healthy and other stuff. So that's, I can feel it. It's very healthy. So yeah, that was good. And then the desserts at the end was really good.
Which dessert? The cheesecake.
Yeah, the cake that your grandmother made. So that was awesome.
Yeah, we
And-
with pop seeds, right? Or,
Yeah. And I am so happy that I got a gift.
Yeah, first Christmas gift, right?
Yeah, for Jeep. So I love this thing. So yeah. So overall, it was awesome.
Yeah. Can you also maybe show quickly what? You got also from me then.
Yep. I got a guinea pig painting, specially made by you.
Yeah.
And I got a massive gift of a sandwich maker.
It's a really big
Yeah, the
sandwich
biggest
maker.
one they
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
not
awesome.
just a small one. Yeah. Great.
Whoa!
Mm.
Oh my god!
Yes.
The soap box also.
Yes,
yeah.
soap box. Yes.
Oh my
And the
god!
lotion.
A
Yeah.
moisturizing thing, some from Norway, some.
Yeah, this is a good one. I
Yeah.
bought him exactly the same one that I use because I like the creams that moisturize like a little bit better than average, because usually I face a problem that the creams I buy, I still feel dry after them. My skin still feels dry, so I bought him the same one as I feel that is good in general. Okay, anything else?
And
Okay.
some face masks.
Your face mask.
And foot masks. Okay, this
Yeah.
is like a tradition that she made me do, and I also kind of enjoy it.
Yeah, so
kind of.
this basically is what we'll be doing together now during the Christmas time. So since now dinner is finished, now it's a time for us for relaxing, watching movies, and also probably using those different masks for face and for feet. So yeah, that will be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it from the first Christmas day. Yeah. Yeah, so then I guess that's it. Then we will see each other in the next.
And before that,
yeah,
you want
okay.
to see the ones that I gave you.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
The things that I got from Raj, this money box here with some illusion inside. He came with the same idea as to buy feet masks just from different brands, and those funny face masks that you see that they're with animal shapes, and we have panda like you saw, koala, and a lion. Apart from that, this and one more thing, which is not a sandwich maker, but a waffle maker. So this is what he got me, but I'm not opening yet. But you have to believe me that this is. He already told me what is inside. So yeah, so this was my gift. You already saw his gift. So I think that's it for today. And now we'll be relaxing with those different masks and watching movies like I already said. So thank you guys for watching, and then see you in the next episode. Bye.